Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Wondershare Filmora. It's a great way to draw attention to specific words or phrases in your videos. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Filmora. To begin, open your Filmora program and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, open your project and add an image or a video clip with text. I've got an image with text on it right here. Step 2. Highlight the text. To highlight the text, we'll need to add a title. You can go to the Titles tab and select a default title. Add it over your image or video clip. Now, here's the important part. Don't worry about the title text just yet. Instead, click on Advanced Edit at the top. Once you're in the Advanced Edit mode, click on the title in the timeline. Now, hit the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the default text. Step 3. Adding shape. Next, we'll add a shape to highlight the text. Click on the Shapes icon and choose a shape that you like. I'll go with this rectangle. Position the shape over the text you want to highlight. Resize and reshape it as needed. Make sure it covers the text you want to emphasize. Now, let's change the fill color of the shape. Click on Fill Color or Shape Fill and choose a color. I'll select red. As you can see, the text is currently hidden by the shape. To make the text visible, reduce the shape's opacity. You can do this by moving the opacity slider. I'll set it to a level where the text is still visible but highlighted. Reshape the highlight as needed, ensuring it covers the text you want to emphasize. Once you're satisfied, click OK. And there you have it. That's how you can easily highlight text in Wondershare Filmora. You can now move and edit the highlighted text directly on your video. It's a fantastic way to make your content stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.